You're about to enter Texas Mutual's virtual construction site. This area is a training to design and replicate conditions in the real construction zone. In the short scenes that follow, you'll virtually experience 4 accident scenarios that unfortunately happen all too often in real construction sites. We hope you'll learn from it and be better prepared to work safely in any environment. The virtual experience will take you through 4 major causes of injury and death in the construction industry: falls, being struck by an object, electrocution, and getting caught in or between. So, get ready. It's time to go to work.
Hey, what are you doing? You know you need to be wearing your personal fall arrest system. You're not safe up here without it.
¿Dónde está tu arnés de seguridad? Hombre, tú sabes que no puedes andar trabajando aquí arriba sin tu sistema personal de detección de caídas. ¿Dónde está el tuyo?
Hey, don't get too close to that ledge!
¡Hey, cuidado!
Remember, a fall doesn't have to be from a tremendous height to cause serious injury. That's why a personal fall arrest system is required for anyone working at a height of over 6 feet. So before you find yourself out on a ledge, make sure you're wearing the proper gear. Now, before we review the next scenario, answer the following question. What are major types of fall hazards in construction? Unprotected roof edges, roof and floor openings, structural steel and leading edges, improper scaffold construction or use, unsafe portable ladders or use, unprotected skylights, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.
Hey, you can't be in here. You need a hard hat.
Tiene que salir de aquí, necesitas casco.
Hey, be careful up there! Get out of there!
Cuidado!
On a construction site, hazards aren't restricted to ground level. To avoid being struck by a falling object, be aware of any work taking place overhead. And it should go without saying that if you're in a hard hat area, make sure you're wearing a hard hat. It's a simple precaution that just might save your life. What are common types of struck by hazards in construction? Struck by flying object, struck by falling object, struck by swinging object, struck by rolling object, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.
Hey, watch out for those lines. Don't get too close.
Cuidado con esos cables, estás muy cerca.
Hey, getting too close.
Hey, güey, estás muy cerca.
Remember, when you're on a job site, you're surrounded by potentially lethal sources of electricity. So be aware of overhead power lines and stay at least 10 feet away from them. And never start digging until you've called 811 to check for underground lines. Now, before we view the next scenario, answer the following question. Which of the following help to avoid electrocution hazards? Maintain a distance of at least 10 feet between tools and equipment and overhead power lines. Always avoid using tools in wet locations. Immediately remove from use any electrical extension cord with damaged insulation. Use appropriate electrical insulating gloves. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.
Hey, you're not supposed to be in there! You gotta shore up this trench!
Pueden estar ahí. Tenemos que apuntalar esa zanja.
Sal de ahí, todavía nos falta apuntalar.
Se está hundiendo. Salgan de ahí.
Remember, you should never enter a ditch that's over 5 feet deep until proper shoring is in place. There's a risk the walls could collapse, burying you under tons of earth. So wait until the trench is safely secured, then enter. Answer the following question. Workers are exposed to a potential fatal trench collapse when they don't wear hard hats while digging, they try to dig too deep, Working in an unsecured trench with unprotected sides, they dig around electrical lines. The correct answer is working in an unsecured trench with unprotected sides. Safety is serious business. You're a professional. Keep working that way. Remember, every job on a construction site can be done safely if you're aware of the dangers and educate yourself on how to avoid them. Texas Mutual is here to help. To learn more about how to work safe each and every day, visit WorkSafeTexas.com.